So it's always better not to talk about sales. It's all about how you talk and maintain the long-term relationship. Often people ask me, how do you sell a client? Or can you tell me your sales pitch? Well, frankly, I don't have any. I only talk to them. It's just that once you start talking to people, you tend to build their trust over a period of time, and you become a part of their family, and then that leads to a very long-term relationship. So that has happened to me multiple times, and I believe that is the ideal thing or ideal scenario. If you try to sell something to someone, they put up a very big kind of a curtain right in front of you, and they say, okay, sales is coming, I better run away from it. Around 6 years back, I started playing golf, and around a year later, I have this client came to me and said, okay, can you take care of this particular financial situation for me? It was like more or less like they trust me quite a lot, because I've engaged with them through the golf, spending time with them, so they get to know more about me. So they think that this person can take care of this. Makes it much easier, basically. So there's no sales process, I believe, involved here. That's more or less like they come to me because they think that I could do it better for them. I play a lot of golf. Incidentally, I'm also good at it. I've won a lot of tournaments, and people look up to you, and they want to know what you do. And you tell them what you do, then they come back to you, telling that they have that kind of a financial situation. This is a very different angle than if I were trying to sell them something, but now they need it, so they come to me. A part of the sales process happens when a buyer and seller meet. And so if the buyer comes on their own, they're there to stick it for a long period of time. So I look at it like, the client persona and the consultant persona meets. And then that's where the trust gets built. And then they say, okay, this is it. We want to engage in a kind of a client relationship. It works very well.